Welcome back to the Virtual CISO. My name is Olivia. In the previous episode of Compliance, Control and Confidence, we examined ISO 27001 as a management system and the role of certification and surveillance audit in maintaining ongoing compliance. In this episode, we build on that foundation by talking about ISO 27017 and ISO 27018, the two extensions that address cloud security and protection of personal data. ISO 27017 and ISO 27018 are designed to be implemented alongside ISO 27001. They don't replace the ISMS, they extend into specific operation contexts that introduce additional risk. ISO 27017 focuses on information security controls for cloud services. It provides guidance for both cloud services provider and the cloud service customers. The standard clarifies shared responsibility, a critical concept in cloud environment. Controls within ISO 27017 address areas such as asset ownership, administrative operations, access management, change management, and monitoring in cloud-based systems. It introduces cloud-specific considerations, including the segregation of customer environment and handling of virtual assets and the management of privileged access within shared infrastructure. ISO 27018 addresses the protection of personally identifiable information in public cloud environments. Its primary objective is to establish controls that govern how personal data is processed, stored, and protected when an organization acts as a cloud service provider. The standard emphasizes consent, transparency, data minimization, and purpose limitation. It requires clear contractual requirements regarding data use. It places obligations on instant notification, data deletion, and handling of data subject requests. Together, ISO 27017 and ISO 27018 strengthen trust in cloud ecosystems. They provide clarity around responsibilities, reduce ambiguity in contractual relationship, and demonstrate accountability in environments where data ownership and control can become blurred. From an audit perspective, these standards are assessed through the same certification and surveillance audit model as ISO 27001. Auditors evaluate whether cloud-specific controls are appropriately selected, implemented, and maintained within the ISMS. They examine alignment between technical controls, contractual commitment, and operational practices. The organization that adopts these standards successfully integrates cloud governance into the broader security program. Cloud risks are assessed systematically, responsibilities are documented, evidence reflects real operational behavior rather than theoretical design. When cloud security and privacy are treated as an extension of governance rather than isolated initiatives, organizations strengthen both resilience and credibility. ISO 27017 and ISO 27018 brings depth into ISO 27001 by addressing the realities of cloud computing and personal data protection. In the next episode of Compliance, Controls, and Confidence, we will shift focus to NIST and explore how its framework complements ISO and SOC in building structured, risk-based security programs. Thank you so much for listening to the Virtual CISO. I am your host, Olivia, and I'll see you in the next episode.